React is a JavaScript library for creating user interfaces. So how to use it? First of all, we need to install React and React.dom npm packages. Then let's create public folder with index.html file in it. Let's open HTML file just to give title to our application and root element where it will be rendered. Then create a src folder which will contain our sources. Let's start with index file. In the very beginning we need to include React library. To point React a place where it should be rendered, we need to select our root element from the document and pass as parameter to create root method. And here in render function we finally can specify content that we wanted to display in browser. And here is one more question: how to compile and run our React application. Fortunately, this is quite simple. We just need to add one additional package with command npm install React scripts. Be patient, the installation may take up to several minutes. And when it will be finally finished, we just need to add a few commands to simplify further use. One for development and other one for production build. And here we are. We are ready to run our application in development mode. Just type npm run start, and in a second you will see results of your work in your browser. And even more, if you change something in the code, it will be immediately displayed on the screen. So let's implement something more complicated: a separate component with a button that will count clicks. Let's create dedicated folder for it, called component. And, of course, file counter inside of it. Our component, it's just a function that returns some HTML code. So let's declare it. In order for the click counter to work, we need to store its state somewhere. To do this, we will use the standard useState function, which returns the counter itself and a function to change it. Now we need to add some HTML to display the counter next to the button with its click handler. That will increment our counter on each button click. And we are very close to our goal. The very last thing that we need to do to finish our basic application, it's include our brand new component to main index file. Firstly, we will add it to our HTML template, and then to our include section at the top of the file. Now you can finally open browser and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Congratulations! You are awesome!